all these bolt holes here, they corrode. The salt water gets up in there, and doesn't matter how much you clean it and how much you rinse it, that salt water will work its way into those threads. Just like here. I'm taking out these bolts, and I have to heat this one up. And yeah, when you get these outboard motors and you're thinking about running it in salt water, you need to protect the threads. The way I protect the threads is I'll take these out, I'll blow them out, and I'll spray some WD-40 in there and let it sit on the threads, and then blow it out a few more times and spray it a couple more times. But when I'm ready to put this back together, it's going to get some thread sealant. Okay, this is just some PTFE thread sealant, and this will prevent the water from migrating up those threads and damaging and corroding and locking up those threads on you. So next time you have to take this unit off, that lower unit off, to get to the water pump or anything else, those bolts will come out. And this also acts as a thread locker.